Hello friends, welcome back to this GenAI with Python learning series. I am Manish Pandey, your trainer. If you are hearing the terms like GenAI use cases, GenAI applications, AI chatbots, large language model, vector database, RAG-based applications, if you are hearing these terms everywhere and you are wondering how these applications are built, how these use cases are built, then this series is for you. In this series, we are not only focusing on theory, instead, we will learn by building the real world projects step by step. We will start from basics and gradually will move towards the advanced topics. Along the way, you will learn how to work with the OpenAI APIs, create AI powered applications, GenAI use cases, GenAI applications, RAG based applications, build a user interface using Python and Streamlit, work with the PDF documents, create AI chatbots, and also understand how generative AI is used in real business world. As we move forward, we'll also learn the RAG-based applications. We'll understand how to create RAG-based applications, vector database, and there are lots of things that we are going to cover in this series related to the GenAI. My goal is to keep everything simple, practical, and beginners friendly so that you will not only understand the concept but also you can create your own generative AI applications. You can build your own generative AI projects. So, if you are ready to learn GenAI, generative AI, and want to build a real world projects, then this series is for you. Thank you.